Hello, welcome back to another video. From today, we are going to create a new series of physics. In this series, we will solve Erodios problems. So, question number 1, point number 1 is a motorboat going downstream overcome a raft at a point A. Tau is equals to 60 minutes later, it turned back and after some time passed, the raft at a distance L is equals to 6 km from the point A. Find the flow velocity, assuming the duty of the engine to be constant. The situation of the question is the same as in this animation. Now you can easily understand the problem. Concept is the meaning of downstream is the same direction of flow velocity and the meaning of upstream is the opposite direction of flow velocity. Now, in case of downstream, according to relative motion, relative velocity of A with respect to B, V relative is equals to VA minus VB. Similarly, in case of upstream, relative velocity of A with respect to B, V relative is equals to VA plus VB. Let yellow circle as a raft and blue circle as a motor. At t is equals to 0, raft and motor both are at point A. Let Vr is equals to velocity of raft, which is equals to flow velocity, and Vm is equals to velocity of motor. Now, at t is equals to 0, both are at point A. This is downstream and this is upstream. And at t is equals to tau, raft is at point B and motor is at point P. Now at t is equals to tau, AB is equals to distance traveled by raft in the time tau and AP is equals to distance traveled by the motor in time tau. Now AB is equals to VR into tau and AP is equals to VM into tau. But V0 is equals to Vm minus Vr due to downstream, then Vm is equals to V0 plus Vr. Now AP is equals to V0 plus Vr into tau. Now we have two equations AB and AP. After t is equals to tau, motor returns back and they both meet at point C. After t minute later, at t is equals to tau to t, dc is equals to Vr into t and Pc is equals to Vm into t. But V0 is equals to Vm plus Vr due to upstream. Then Vm is equals to V0 minus Vr. Now Pc is equals to V0 minus Vr into t. So we will get two another equations dc and Pc. Now we have these four equations. According to figure, AP minus PC is equals to AC, which is equals to L. This is AP and this is PC. Now it becomes V0 plus VR into tau minus V0 minus VR into t is equals to L. Similarly, AB plus BC is equals to AC is equals to L. So it becomes VR into tau plus VR into t is equals to L. Now we have these two equations. Here you can see right sides of both equations are same. Then you can equate left sides of both equations. After simplification, we have V0 plus VR minus VR into tau is equals to VR plus V0 minus VR into t. After cancellation, V0 tau is equals to V0 t, then tau is equals to t. Let this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Put tau is equals to t in equation number 2. Then we have VR is equals to L upon 2 tau. By numerical analysis, L is equals to 6 km, tau is equals to 60 minutes or 1 hour, then Vr is equals to 6 upon 2, which is equals to 3 kilometers per hour. So this is the correct answer. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.